How to download Brave on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Brave app on a mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in Brave and search for it. Select the first search result for Brave, tap on the install button. The Brave app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use the Brave app on a mobile device. Simply tap the open button, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use the Brave browser to its full potential with a high level of privacy and security. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to download and install the Brave browser app on a mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.